Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to use Read and Write. It's an extension that you have in Chrome that I sent you a video on earlier this year that we can use with our students. But I'm going to show you how it's really going to help you with some of the strategies that we are asking you guys to use in your classes. So vocabulary, having visual vocabulary, having word walls. So I'm going to show you, I have some words from the novel that we're reading, and I am going to click my little Read and Write, and up here it has all these wonderful little functions. So if I highlight the word trait, and that's the dictionary, and here's the visual, so it doesn't always have a picture dictionary, okay? So, but I did get the definition. And then arid, I did the same thing. Mirage, you can look and see which one you want depending on the level of your students. So I know the book, and I know that this is a better definition. So I would highlight it and paste it. Now I'm going to see if it's going to have, oh, sorry. I'm looking at Mirage. And no visual. So now let's see if Omen has a visual. See, not all of them have it. Sorry, guys. Okay, so here again, I've got my vocabulary. Now this is something you can have the students do as well, okay? This is something that they can absolutely do. So it's a great way to get them learning how to use this. The other thing is, we can use this program on the writing test. If the students are using this program all the time, they can use it on the writing test. And it has word prediction on it. Okay? Hopefully this one has the visual. Nope. But it has the definition. See, quite a few of my words do not have pictures, but this one does. So you just click it, drag it, and drop it. And it's done. Okay? Hope this helps.